pause the video there. Go eat a fucking gallon of ice cream. Or maybe you could fucking keep playing the video and fucking lift some weights with the dog over here, alright? Alright, so this is good enough, right? This looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. I can live with that. Still want to cut it down there. But hey, guess what? Guess what? Guess what? We don't do that type of shit. We don't do that pussy shit. We're gonna cut the whole FEI off. Because like Easy said, we some real motherfucking G's, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? The boys in the hood, I'm always hard. If I'm talking that shit, I'm gonna pull your card. You know, nothing in life but to be legit. Don't quote me, boy. Cause I ain't say shit. Dope, man, dope, man. Anyways, I met MC Ren one time at a downtown Hilton in Miami. MC Ren is he's the NWA member that's not Eazy-E, Ice Cube, or Dr. Dre. MC Ren is the most, he wrote like for all of Eazy and Dre's songs. Cube wrote a lot of them too. Anyways, this is an Orchid video, not a old school hip hop video. This is actually a sword channel. But yeah, so yeah. We went ahead to that whole motherfucking thing on there. You see that? You know what? We didn't stop here. We didn't go masturbate and eat cereal. We didn't stop here and go eat ice cream. We fucking got jacked, boy, and cut the whole damn thing off. And let me tell you why. And this ain't in the booklet. This is just fucking, I know this shit. If this was left on there, even though it's kind of healthy, next year, when this thing comes back around, it's not gonna give you no flowers. Nothing like that motherfucking easy. Sometimes you gotta cut, hold on, not your finger off, but man, like motherfucking, like KK said, ain't nothing to cut these bitches off, you know what I'm saying? Just cut that bitch off. It's listen, plants and listen, it's gonna drain your resources and your nutrients that your plant's gonna use to bloom next year. That's what I'm getting at. So this thing is just going motherfucking this is a vampire right here. This is what we do to vampires around this motherfucker. That's what we do to vampires around this bitch, alright? You heard me? You heard me? We fucking slay the dragons on this side, dog. Damn, this bitch is dull. That's it. But it's sharp. It's like a sharp point, though. This is a collector's item. It's not supposed to be sharp. But if I do sharpen that bitch, come through with the vegetable oil and the sharpener, y'all know something then. It's gonna be some boys in the hood. And they're always hard. Come talking that shit, pull your car. Ain't knowing nothing in life but to be legit. Just suck my dick. Hold on. Look, dog. What kind of channel you gonna get out here with the motherfucking... Look at this thing, dog. Look at this thing, dog. What? Alright. Look how many sharp objects I got on this table. Okay. Sunglasses. What more you want? Empty champagne glasses. I got some Fireball in there, but I ain't gonna bring it out. Alright. Anyways, that's how you take care of an orchid. Learning and teaching yourself from scratch. Do your research. Do your fucking thing, man. Do your fucking thing. If nobody else in this world can do it just like you. So there's only one month, well, there's probably a lot of niggas like you, but there's only one nigga like me. There's probably a few of y'all that are probably like 5, 10 of y'all running around, but you know, that's pretty good company. But you know, a motherfucker like me, there's only some 1 in 1, baby. That's a fraction for you. That's a whole number. Because I'm a whole one. I'm a real one. Alright, so now let me teach you one little last thing before I let you go. Alright, I know I'm gonna be here all day listening to shit. Alright. If real gardening talk for a second. If you're a gardening novice, do you know what root hormone is? You would know what root hormone is. Which is like